So hello vlog, morning guys, good morning. So ito na guys, ako guys, bumalik na ako sa aking favorite place guys. Ayun yun guys, bumasa ng buhok ko, because my pabiyaya, so Bri is not busy na. So me, I'm sulod na to kanina because, so I'm liguin na because said my yaya, say that the water is already finished na daw. So I think so. Si shade is the water and the balde is puno na. So nilagyan na ng ice yellow because nilagyan na ng ice yellow para gusto kasi ng malamig yung liliguin ko. Gusto ko na malamig. Bumili ako ng yellow, isa ka block. Isang block na yellow ang pinabili nila namin ng boy namin, I see talk to my boy na you buying ice blocky because me is I'm babat na, but I'm babat, so because it's me, I'm masarap talaga kapag is you water as cold, oh my god. So from now, I'm here na, I'm walking na, so guys, so I'm ilis na that t-shirt in my short, and then I'm all ready na because prepared to work a lot to the Papa Bobs, and then the Maraschino guys, so walk na, so I'm work na because so very freshing na charot. So thank you guys, so please subscribe my YouTube channel called Andre Bonghana, my TikTok and my reels, my TikTok ILP Joe 1988. Thank you. So